Hi, Dave Johnson here with Day Trade the Markets. We're looking at a 2-minute chart of the Mini Dow. The contract is the first trading day for the March 2017 contract, and today is Friday, December the 9th. So we rolled over yesterday, but the more volume comes in the day after the rollover, so that's why this is the first trading day that we're trading the March contracts in the E-mini S&P, the Mini Dow, the E-mini NASDAQ, and for those of you that do also trade the E-mini Russell. So we got long here at 40. We're also trying to get long at 32 and 29. It's a good bullish market, and you can see I've got my stop down there at 16. So I'm looking for some further up movement here today. We've got a couple hours plus left in the trading day and trading week. So my expectation here is a potential spike higher to finish off the week. We'll see if we can get it. Hopefully it'll pull back before it does that, but that's kind of the scenario I am looking for at this point in time. So I'll just change this around a little bit. Let's get a little bit of a different view here. This is where the market opened today. So it's had a good move higher. We have had some aggression on the buy side with follow through, and on the sell side, which is these green bars, the red bars. The colors of red are selling, aggressive selling, and you can see they've had very little or no follow through, and then their highs have been taken out. On the other hand, the greens are the aggression, the dark green, second strongest of our aggressions. Red here, second strongest aggression on the sell side. So you can see we've had follow through of this green bar here. Also, this green bar did come up, did come down and test the lows a couple times, but all in all, we've had bullishness in the market today, and that's why I've gotten long here. So hopefully we're going to get a bit of a pullback here is what I'm hoping for. Obviously, I'll just stretch this out a little bit so we can see it a bit better. There we go. Being long two contracts, I'm going to go ahead just in case it spikes and comes back. I'm going to put a sell order in here to sell one of these up at 60. That'll give us a 20 tick profit on that. So that's really what we're looking at right now. As a matter of fact, we keep moving up. I think what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go ahead and jump on another two contracts at 45. Buy another two right there at 45. See if we get filled on that. Okay, filled on that. We're now long 4 from average price of 43, and I'll change this to 2. From 43, I think I'll put this at 58. That'll give us 15 ticks on these two contracts here. So I've still got orders to buy down here, and I'm going to leave those for the time being. And likely have to adjust the stops here. I'll have to increase this to 8. That's good there. So that's really how this is looking at the moment. I will pause the recording and pick it up as the market dictates. Okay, just resuming the recording here. We have had that follow through that we were looking for. We got out of our first exit here. We sold 2 of the 4 contracts that we had. We're trying to get another 2 bought down here. Never did drop there, so I'm going to cancel these and I'll remove these markers here. So we've got 2 contracts left, so I'll change the stop to 2 for the amount. And I'm going to move it. You can see here that we had this high velocity move. That's the speed of the market. So the software here, the Day Trade the Market software, examines the speed of the market, the aggression of the market, produces in real-time trade location zones, as well as these deceleration and divergence bars, which are the triangle and dots above and below these bars. So it does a number of things, but we really take a look at what the market is doing day to day or intraday. And we mostly use the market profile to identify those types of inquiries, make decisions on is the market really in an up or down or sideways intraday auction, for example. So we now have support at the top of this high velocity buying move. And the high of that, as you can see right here, is at 19,676. And I'm going to at least first of all bring the stop up to just below that green bar right here. You can see this green bar right here. So I think I'll put it at 63. We got 15 ticks on our first objective. We were long from 43. We got two of them at 58. So we've locked in 20 per contract on these rests. Now, the market has just made a new high after this dip here, so I'm going to move the stop to just below that dip. And you can see that the price of that dip there is at 19,680. So I'm going to bring the stop down here to 19,678, a couple ticks below it. That should do it. It's fairly tight. We do have roughly 45 minutes left in the trading session today. So I'll go ahead and move this marker here and just put it up in here so we know where that is. Stops at 78 and we got out of here at 58. So that's it for now. I'm going to go ahead and pause the recording and I'll pick it up as the market dictates. Okay, just restarting the recording here. We had that pause, came down close to our stop. We kept us in the trade though, did not get stopped out obviously. Now we've created another good high velocity buying move. The low of that is here at 19,690. And the little dip that we had with this red bar is right here at 19,687. So 19,685 is what I'm going to increase the stop to just a little bit. But I just want to bring you up to date on that. I could bring it up a little bit higher. We've only got a few minutes left in the trading session, so about 5 minutes or so. So I'm going to go ahead and exit this trade within the first, within 5 minutes. So I've got the stop in there, and I'll restart the computer, restart the video here in just a few minutes and exit this trade with a market order if we haven't yet been stopped. So just bring you up to date on that. Okay, just restarted the recording here. Okay, we've just got a minute left in the trading session, so I'm going to go ahead and cancel that. I'm going to go ahead and sell 2 at the market right here. Sell 2 at the market. Okay, we just got filled there at 99. So I'll just mark this up here at 99. We got our first entry was down here at 43. We exited half of the position or 2 of the contracts at 58 for 15 tick profit for each. So from 43 to 99 gives us what? 56 ticks, so that's 112 plus the 30s, 143 ticks on that trade. So worked out quite nicely, and here you can see it even rallying just in the very last minute of the trading session. So just continues to be a bull market in the stock market. So worked out to be a nice trade. Any questions or comments on any of these live trades or other information you might be interested in, you can reach us at info@daytradethemarkets.com. Thanks for watching, and good trading to you, and we'll see you next time.